This is how to use the Red Star Bullhead GMT. This watch has the SEIKO automatic caliber, which gets his energy when you wear it. But you can also wind the watch manually. For example, when you put it on first time, or if you put it off over the night. And if you put the crown on the first position, you can quick set the date, and in the other direction you can set the GMT hand to your time zone of the second time zone. For example, Tokyo, Sydney or other time zones. And when you pull it further out, you can set the time. So you will have your local time and the GMT time easy to read then. So enjoy the new Red Star GMT.